In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the best of the best when it comes to The Ordinary, and I've actually started a series on this where I'm sharing the best products for certain skin types and skin concerns. And of course, this is based on my experience with these products from The Ordinary. So I've been using this brand for a very long time, so I know what works and what doesn't. Of course, we all have different skin. What works for me may not always work for you, vice versa, but I thought I would share the best products for each category. So if you haven't seen the video on the best products for anti-aging and on oily combination acne-prone skin, I'm going to leave those two videos below for you for your reference. But today, like I said, we're going to be talking about dry, dehydrated skin. The products that I'm sharing will be linked below for you as always. So let's get right into that first product. All right, so for reference, I have combination skin and I can be acne prone, but sometimes I do experience tightness, dryness, and flakiness with my skin. And it just depends on the products that I'm using. Tretinoin can cause dryness for me, sometimes glycolic acid or certain skincare products. But then of course, depending on if it's the winter months or I've been outside for a long period of time in the summer months, then of course my skin can feel tight and dry. So these are my go-to products, and I'm telling you right now, these are exceptional. So the first product that I want to talk about first is the Amino Acids B5. And if you've been with me for a while, you know how obsessed I am with this. I always need backups of this. I usually have about 4 or 5 bottles in my linen closet ready to go because this is honestly a serum that I cannot live without. I use this every day, twice a day, and it never disappoints. This gives my skin so much hydration. It really helps to repair the skin barrier at the same time. It's very lightweight and it's not greasy whatsoever, but the formula is like water, so your skin absorbs it so nicely. It's very thin and you can pair this up with anything without issues with pilling. So I pair this up with tretinoin at nighttime. I use this with copper peptides, vitamin C, niacinamide. I use this with anything and everything because this is a very universal serum that just works all the time. So whether you have dry skin or not, this is still great to use on an everyday basis because it just allows your skin to remain youthful. You get this nice glow to your skin because it's just so hydrated. Honestly, this is a very underrated serum, and I feel like I'm like the only one that ever talks about this. And I talk about this a lot, and honestly, I don't hear anybody else raving about this serum. And if The Ordinary ever discontinued this serum, I don't know what I would do. I would honestly have a meltdown because this really is one of the best serums from The Ordinary. So give this a try. If you love it, please come back and let me know because anybody that I have recommended this to has always loved and enjoyed this serum. So this is definitely one product that you should pick up, whether you want to use it every day or just when you need it. This is a lifesaver. Next up is the Marine Hyaluronics. Now this is another underrated serum from The Ordinary, and I actually don't have one on me to show you as I just finished that serum not long ago. But this is exceptional for those that have dryness and tightness to their skin. This is very, very unique. I haven't found a serum that is similar to this yet. This one acts as your hyaluronic acid alternative. So if you don't like hyaluronic acid, then I would say go with Marine Hyaluronics because this serum is still going to plump and hydrate your skin, no different than hyaluronic acid, but this formula is thinner, it's not greasy, it's not heavy, and it's like water. So again, your skin absorbs this really nicely. There is no pilling, and you can also use this every day, twice a day. Now this contains skin-friendly marine bacteria, but it also contains Hawaiian red algae and microfiltered blue-green algae. This also contains amino acids, and there are several types of amino acids in the formulation. So again, you don't need to pair this up with the Amino Acids B5 serum, although you could. It's just not necessary because honestly, this serum alone is exceptional to hydrate and to keep your skin nice and comfortable. Now with the Amino Acids B5, that one hydrates and repairs. This one is more hydrating and plumping. So it just depends on what you're looking for, but this really is great. And again, you can use this all the time or when you need it. Next up is the Ordinary Bee Oil. So if you're into facial oils, I would say pick this one up. This is very underrated, by the way. I know the Ordinary has a lot of oils to choose from, and I have tried pretty much all of them. This one is the best, in my opinion. This is basically a hybrid. This contains multiple types of oils. So in this formula, we have rosehip seed oil, borage seed oil, jojoba seed oil, along with other types of oils. There is tomato and rosemary extract, and there is microalgae in here as well. So this formula contains a greenish yellow hue, and it also has an earthy scent to it. It's not strong, there is a mild scent, but it's very earthy, and the scent and the color is coming from the microalgae, just so you know. But once this is applied to your skin, honestly, you don't smell it anymore, at least from my experience with this. But I'm telling you, if your skin is super tight and you really need moisture and your skin is very dry, go with this one. So put this on top of your moisturizer. So go in with your serums, then go in with your moisturizer, put this on top. You really only need a couple of drops and then just pat it into your skin. And I'm telling you, this brings your skin back to life. You will have this nice glow to your skin. Even after rinsing your skincare off the next morning, you will have this glow. Your skin will feel softer as well, and it really improves the skin barrier. So I'm not the biggest fan of facial oils. I will tell you, this isn't something that I reach for often, but when my skin really needs it, especially during the winter months, this is the one that I'm always going with because it never ever disappoints. So you can use this every day, twice a day, but when it comes to facial oils, I just use this at nighttime because I feel like when I incorporate it in my morning routine, it's just too much. When you put sunscreen and makeup on top of it, it just becomes too heavy. And then of course your chances of peeling are a lot higher. So I use this at nighttime, but of course you can do whatever you want. You can also use this in the morning. Next up is the Glycolipid Cream Cleanser, and this is one of the Ordinary's newest launches this year. So they launched this at the beginning of the year. Now this was needed, okay? The Ordinary has always had their squalene cleanser, and that one is great for those that have dry skin, by the way. Perfect for all skin types, but if you do have dry skin, that squalene ingredient really helps to keep the skin barrier nice and comfortable. But I have to say, this is way better than the squalene cleanser, and I like this one a lot more because it's very gentle, it's very moisturizing on the skin, it's not stripping in the least, but this one also doesn't leave a film left behind after you've rinsed your skin. And that's why I much prefer this over the squalene cleanser, because the squalene cleanser always left a film and I didn't always feel like my skin felt clean after I've rinsed it off. So, I mean, either one will do, but this one really is my favorite. And this one will remove your makeup and sunscreen at the end of the day as well. So if you want to use this as that first cleanse to remove your makeup and sunscreen, and then of course go back in with your second cleanse afterwards, or even in your morning routine, of course, feel free to use this every day, twice a day. And this contains plant-derived glycolipid. So again, very gentle. And this is another cleanser that never burns my eyes. There's a lot of cleansers that when they get into the eyes, they start burning. I never get that with this. So if you are more on that sensitive side, I feel like you're going to absolutely love this. So a great cleanser to go with if you love the Ordinary. Of course, they have 3 cleansers now in their collection. Their foaming cleanser is also fabulous, but if you want something that is a little bit more moisturizing, then I would say go with this one. And the last product is the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus Phytoceramides. This is one of their newest moisturizers that they came out with early this year. So now they have 3 moisturizers in their collection. So we have this one, they came out with the beta glucan, which is the gel moisturizer. And then of course they have their original Natural Moisturizing Factors plus hyaluronic acid. Now I have to be honest with you, I don't feel like that one is moisturizing enough. Although that one is great for those that have dry skin, this one is even better. So if you're looking for that really rich moisturizing cream, go with this one. I'm telling you, this is very satisfying to use when you need it. So this one has your glycolipids as well, but it also contains ceramides, which help to strengthen and repair the skin barrier. There's urea, there's amino acids in here, there's hyaluronic acid as well, so very plumping and very hydrating. This one contains oil, whereas the natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid is oil free. So depending on what you're looking for here, whether you like that oil ingredient or not, will determine which one to go with. But because this has that oil, I'm telling you, this really is moisturizing. Now, can you put the bee oil on top of this? Absolutely, but I will tell you, I feel like I don't need to because this really is great on its own. And when you put this on your skin, you will know what I mean. A little bit goes a long way. It spreads really nicely. You will get this nice glow to your skin, so it doesn't dry down skin-like or dry down matte. You will have a little bit of that glow. So whether you like that or not will determine whether you use this in your morning or your nighttime. I much prefer to keep this for nighttime because sometimes I feel like if I'm using this in my morning routine, sometimes sunscreens and makeup can just feel a little bit too heavy on the skin when this is underneath it. It works really well, but if I don't really need that moisture, then I just keep this for nighttime, and I pair this up with tretinoin and my active ingredients. So this can be used, like I said, every day, twice a day, perfect for fall and winter. This is going to be exceptional, but if you're looking for that rich cream, go with this one. If you're looking for that oil-free option, then go with the natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. And if you're looking for something that's even thinner, something that has that gel texture, then go with the beta-glucan one. That one is amazing also, but I feel like if you have dry skin and your skin feels tight, you won't feel as satisfied as if you were using this one. So those are the best of the best when it comes to dry, dehydrated, flaky skin. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you found it helpful, and most importantly, I hope I introduced you to a new product today. Remember, I will have the anti-aging video as well as the oily combo acne prone skin video below for you for your reference in case you want to have a look at those. And you can also pair up these products, like I said, with any one of the other products from The Ordinary or even from other brands as well. These products are very universal that we talked about today, and they will be linked below for you as always. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask away in that comment section. But if you want to learn more about The Ordinary, I have a lot of content on my channel where I share product reviews, I share skincare routines based on skin type and skin concerns, and I also have videos where I talk about the products that you should and should not pair up together. So I will leave that Ordinary playlist below for you as well. Thank you so much for watching. I always do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.